In this video, I just want to show you how much cells I salvaged out of an old Inco battery. It's a 20 volt one, 7.5 amps. Here is a video of how I dismantled it. After I dismantled it, I went and charged every battery to give it a fair chance. Like you can see there, most of the batteries is really low on voltage. After this, I put it on a capacity tester so that I can see if the battery's capacity is above 80% of its normal rating. After that, I charged all the batteries again and I left it for about a month to see which ones will have a large voltage drop. 6 of them have a voltage of 0.4 volts and I marked all of them not usable anymore. The rest of the batteries, 9 of them, all of them were above 2000 milliamperes. So I think that is a good sign to keep them for future usage. I think to be able to have salvaged 9 cells that I can use for future projects is good for a Inco 20 volt battery that I bought for 5 rand at the scrapyard. Remember to subscribe and follow me. Thank you for watching.